This is the North Indian style astrology chart, also known as the diamond chart. There's also the South Indian style, which I'll cover in another video, that's known as the square chart. Then there's the Eastern Indian style, which is a mixture of the two, and I'll do another video on that one. You might be primarily familiar with the wheel chart, and that's another way of doing an astrological chart drawing. But in this example, this is the type of drawing that takes the first house and makes it right in the middle at the top, and that's always the ascendant. It's never going to change. You're never going to find the ascendant where the ninth house is. You're never going to be going to the ascendant where the fifth house is. Always at the top middle. So this chart has rulership by Venus. So when your Venus is strong, you'll be able to use this chart more easily than the square chart, which is controlled by Jupiter. And if your Jupiter is stronger, then you'll be able to read that chart more simply. So to read this chart, of course, you always start with the first house, and then you would go to the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, until you get back to the first. The advantages of using this chart is that you're able to make planetary aspects so much easier, especially special aspects that Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu have, because they have special aspects. You can most definitely use this style of a chart in, say, if you're practicing Western, because there is absolutely no limitation on what you can and can't do. However, because of this showing the houses as they are, it's much more simpler to use either whole sign or equal house. Because with Platycus, it does have that risk of having a house be pretty much lacking a sign. So you can have one sign ruling two houses, which is not going to blend very well with this chart. So this is the North Indian style chart. The next one I'll cover will be the South Indian style chart.